Sunflower lecithin benefits and source. Benefits: strengthens your nervous system. Sunflower lecithin dramatically reduces your stress levels. It makes your heart healthier, promotes bone and joint health and makes you feel younger. It makes your liver healthy. Acts as an antioxidant. Lowers the blood pressure. Helps heal wounds more quickly. Is free of female hormones. Helps breastfeeding moms. Improves digestion. Helps in improving your skin. Now foods. Sunflower liquid lecithin review. Description: natural phospholipids, naturally occurring phosphatidyl, choline and other phosphatides. Soy-free, non-GMO. Vegetarian, vegan. Non-GMO Project Verified. General health. Family owned since 1968. GMP Quality Assured. Suggested use: blend 1 tablespoon into milk, protein shakes or vegetable juice. May also be used in salad dressing, sauces, as an emulsifier of fats, or as a non-stick coating on pots and pans. Other ingredients: liquid sunflower lecithin, non-GMO. Not manufactured with yeast, wheat, gluten, soy, corn, milk, egg, fish, shellfish or tree nut ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. Warnings: natural color variation may occur in this product. Store in a cool, dry place after opening. Custom reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.